Welcome to my PodTalks English channel. We'll talk, learn, and practice English together, step by step. Let's start speaking English with confidence.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast for beginners.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Tom. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most popular sports in the world, football.
Yes, football or soccer is loved by millions of people around the world.
We'll learn how to play football, the rules, positions, skills, and more.
So, get ready. Let's kick off. Tom, how would you describe football?
Football is a team sport where two teams try to score goals by kicking a ball into the other team's net.
Right, and each team usually has 11 players on the field.
The team that scores more goals wins the game.
Simple, but so exciting.
A football field is usually a big green area covered with grass.
It has lines, a center circle, and two goalposts, one at each end.
The match starts from the center circle.
And the players move the ball around the field to try and score.
Each team has a goalkeeper.
The goalkeeper's job is to stop the ball from going into the goal.
They can use their hands, but only inside the penalty area. Outside that area, they must use their feet like other players.
Tom, can you explain some basic rules?
Sure, players can't use their hands. Only the goalkeeper can.
And if the ball goes outside the field, the other team gets to throw it in.
A match has two halves, each 45 minutes long.
That's why a full game is 90 minutes.
The game starts with a kickoff from the center.
One team kicks the ball and the game begins.
The other team tries to take the ball and attack.
It's all about teamwork and strategy.
To score a goal, you must kick the ball into the opponent's net.
But it must completely cross the goal line.
One goal equals 1 point.
Sounds easy, but it's not.
Defenders and goalkeepers make it tough.
There are different positions in football.
Yes, defenders, midfielders, and forwards.
Defenders protect their goal.
Midfielders help both defense and attack.
And forwards are the main goal scorers.
Each team has a captain.
The captain leads the team on the field.
They talk to the referee and motivate teammates.
A good captain inspires everyone to play better.
Passing is one of the most important skills.
Yes, you kick the ball to your teammate to keep possession.
Short passes are for control.
Long passes help move the ball fast.
Dribbling means moving with the ball while keeping control.
You use small touches to keep the ball close to your feet.
Good dribbling helps you avoid defenders.
Players like Messi are famous for their dribbling.
Shooting is how you try to score a goal.
You can shoot with power or with accuracy.
The inside of the foot gives control.
The laces give more power. Defending is about stopping the other team from scoring.
You need to stay close to the attacker.
And try to take the ball without fouling.
A good defender reads the game well.
The referee is the boss on the field.
They make sure everyone follows the rules.
They use a whistle to stop the game.
And they give yellow or red cards when needed.
When a player breaks the rules, it's called a foul.
The other team gets a free kick.
If it happens near the goal, it's a big chance to score.
So players must be careful not to foul.
What do the cards mean, Tom?
A yellow card is a warning.
And a red card means the player must leave the game.
2 yellow cards equal 1 red card.
Discipline is very important. The offside rule can be confusing.
Yes, a player is offside if they are closer to the goal than the ball and defenders when it's passed to them.
It stops players from waiting near the goal.
It keeps the game fair and balanced.
If the ball goes out over the goal line, what happens?
If a defender touched it last, the other team gets a corner kick.
The ball is placed at the corner of the field.
And it's kicked into the penalty area, a great chance to score.
If the attacker kicks the ball out over the goal line, it's a goal kick.
Right. The goalkeeper kicks it back into play.
It helps restart the game.
And gives the defense a chance to organize.
When the ball goes out from the sideline, we use a throw-in.
The player throws it with both hands over their head.
Their feet must stay on the ground.
If not, it's a foul throw.
Football is not a one-person game.
Yes, teamwork is the key. Players must communicate and trust each other.
When the team works together, the ball moves faster.
Exactly. One strong pass can create a big opportunity.
Good communication helps a lot.
Players shout things like "man on" or "pass" to guide teammates.
Some even use hand signals when the crowd is loud.
It's like a language of football.
Football needs a lot of energy.
Yes, players run for almost 90 minutes.
That's why they train for stamina, strength, and speed.
A fit body helps you perform better and avoid injuries.
Always warm up before the game.
Stretch your legs, arms, and do light jogging.
It prepares your muscles and prevents cramps.
A good warm-up makes your body ready to play.
After the match, it's important to cool down.
Yes, walk slowly, stretch again, and drink water.
It helps your body relax and recover.
Don't forget rest, your muscles need it.
What do players need to play football?
A ball, football boots, shin guards, and a jersey.
The boots have studs to grip the grass.
And shin guards protect your legs from kicks.
If you're new, start simple.
Practice passing, dribbling, and shooting first.
Play small games with friends.
It's fun and helps you learn fast.
Playing with friends makes football more enjoyable.
Yes, you can laugh, practice, and improve together.
It doesn't matter who wins.
The main goal is to have fun and learn.
Sometimes people play indoors. It's called futsal.
The ball is smaller and the field is tiny.
It's great for improving control and quick thinking.
Many top players started with futsal. Like any sport, practice is important.
The more you practice, the better you become.
Even 20 minutes a day helps.
Don't give up. Progress takes time.
Let's talk about famous players.
Sure. Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar, Mbappe, all amazing.
They worked hard for years to reach the top.
Their dedication inspires millions of young players.
The World Cup is the biggest football event.
It happens every 4 years.
Countries from all over the world compete.
Winning it is every player's dream.
Want to improve your passing?
Practice with a partner, 5 to 10 meters apart.
Pass with both feet and control the ball well.
Try to keep it smooth and accurate.
Shooting practice helps with power and aim.
Set up a goal or even use cons.
Aim for corners, not just the middle.
Remember, eyes on the ball when you shoot.
Place small cones and dribble between them.
Use both feet, left and right.
Keep the ball close to your body.
It improves control and confidence.
To be a good defender, learn timing.
Don't rush in. Wait for the right moment.
Use your body to block the opponent.
Stay calm and focused.
Goalkeeping is special.
Yes, you need quick reactions and courage.
Practice catching, diving, and positioning.
A great goalkeeper can save the whole team.
Fair play is important in football.
Yes, respect the referee and other players.
Winning is nice, but honesty matters more.
True sportsmanship makes the game beautiful.
Teams use strategies to win.
Like 4-4-2 or 4-3-3 formations.
Each formation has a plan for attack and defense.
Coaches study opponents and choose the best strategy.
The coach guides the players.
They teach tactics, motivate, and plan training.
A good coach builds team spirit.
And helps players reach their best level.
Everyone makes mistakes on the field.
True, but each mistake is a lesson.
Watch your games, see what to improve.
That's how great players grow.
Football brings people together.
Yes, you make friends from different places.
You learn teamwork, respect, and trust.
Football connects hearts. That's the magic.
Playing football in the rain can be fun.
But the field becomes slippery.
Be careful with your steps.
And wear shoes with good grip.
Food also matters in football.
Yes, eat healthy meals. Rice, vegetables, fruits, and protein.
And drink plenty of water.
A strong body helps you play longer.
Football is not only physical, it's mental too.
You must stay focused and calm under pressure.
Confidence helps you make better choices.
A positive mind wins the game before it starts.
Fans are part of football's soul. They cheer, sing, and support their teams. Their energy motivates players.
Football without fans wouldn't be the same.
Football is played everywhere, in streets, beaches, and parks. Kids play barefoot, adults play in stadiums. It doesn't matter where. The love is the same.
Football is truly a global language.
If you want to play seriously, join a local team.
Look for community clubs or school teams.
You'll get a coach, teammates, and regular training. It's the best way to improve.
Set small goals for yourself.
Like learning to pass better or scoring once a week.
Goals keep you motivated. Step by step, you'll get better every day.
Wow, Tom, we've talked about everything: rules, skills, teamwork, and more.
Yes, football is more than just a game. It's passion, teamwork, and joy.
We hope this podcast helps our listeners learn both football and English.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.